Hello everyone, my name is Randy McMurray and I'm the BMD Territory Manager for Marvin Windows and Doors in the San Diego County region. I appreciate everyone taking the time today to tune in and learn a little bit about Marvin's standard finish options within our different window and door collections. Today we're going to focus on the following four product lines. So our Essential line, our Elevate line, our Ultimate Aluminum Clad, and our newest product line, Modern. So let's go ahead and begin with Essential. So this is our patented pultruded fiberglass line that has both fiberglass to the exterior, right over here, and the interior. And our patented name for this product is called Ultrex. So within the Essential line, there are 6 different colors available that include ebony, bronze, stone white, cashmere, pebble gray, and that ever popular evergreen. The Ultrex finish is applied through a patented process to provide a really superior, consistent finish. It's built for durability and low maintenance. Our Ultrex finish comes with an acrylic capping and is 3 times thicker than most competitive finishes. Really with a smooth consistency and a strong finish that resists fading, chalking, peeling, and cracking, even in the darkest of colors. And if a design change calls for a new color down the road, our material can be painted without voiding our 10-year warranty. These colors have an ALMA 624 rating, which is considered best in class for the category of composite windows and doors. So let me kind of tell you a little bit quickly how this rating comes about. So ALMA, which is the American Architectural Manufacturer Association, and for those of you that aren't familiar with ALMA or just never heard of them before, they are the entity that gives our industry grades, if you will. So in order for a manufacturer to receive their finish rating from ALMA, they must submit their products to ALMA on a voluntary basis. So what we can take from this is, if you're a manufacturer and you don't have a very good finish that you use on your products, you're probably not going to submit your products to ALMA for this rating, right? And this is actually where majority of our industry lies today. So however, conversely, if you're a manufacturer and you use a good finish, you want that information shared with the public. You want to fall within that good, better, best category. So your customer knows that you're investing in a quality product. So within the composite world of windows and doors, the ratings are ALMA 623, good, ALMA 624, better, and ALMA 625, best. Hope that makes sense. So the finish on our Ultrex has passed all requirements for ALMA 624 and 625, with the exception of the long-term outdoor weathering performance tests, which are currently in progress and will be completed later this year. But the other testing requirements that Ultrex has already completed and passed include dry film thickness, dry film hardness, dry wet boil adhesion, direct impact, abrasion resistance, chemical resistance test. And how this test is administered is they take muriatic acid, mortar nitric acid, and apply this to the window and door. In order to pass this test, the window or door must not have any blistering at the conclusion. So it's pretty rigorous. So there's also a detergent resistant test with no loss of film adhesion and blistering, window cleaner resistance test with no loss of film adhesion and blistering. There's a humidity resistance test, a cold crack cycle test, and also an oven aging test with no loss of adhesion on there. So again, Essential has an ALMA 624 rating and will increase to an ALMA 625 rating later on this year. And again, the crazy thing about this is the majority of our industry don't even carry an ALMA rating at all. So there's a few manufacturers out there that I would consider Marvin's competitors that carry an AMA 623 rating. And there's only one other competitor that I know of that carries an AMA 624 rating, but they just recently received that rating and will be there for quite some time before being able to upgrade their finish rating like Marvin is later on this year to that AMA 625. So let's go ahead and jump on over to our Elevate line. Like Essential, Elevate's exterior is our patented pultruded fiberglass. So Ultrex, and has that the same features and benefits of that. So let's go ahead and jump over to the interior side of the Elevate line. So the Elevate collection features rich wood interiors in bare pine that can be stained to match your interior. So our finish in our factory with popular designs like designer painted black, like this one right here. It also comes in a clear coat or a pre-finished white you can get, or it can be bare as well. So factory finishing means you can expect consistent quality and aesthetics that come from our carefully perfected finishing process. So the warranty on the interior finishes of the Elevate line is 5 years, okay? So now let's go ahead and jump over to our Ultimate Aluminum Clad line from our Signature Collection. So a high quality window deserves a dependable finish. So our low maintenance clad wood products feature an extruded aluminum exterior finished in a commercial grade 70% Kynar finish, really for superior resistance to fading and chalking. So we have really a palette of 19 different color options for you that span from muted earthy tones to bold rich colors, and there's actually 3 pearlescent finishes here I can show you. So it's bright silver, copper, and Liberty bronze, and there's also color matching available to meet any design vision you may have. Let's kind of quickly go talk about the AMA ratings quickly for the exterior of this product. So like Essential, the Elevate lines Ultimate has the highest rating AMA gives and goes through the same testing processes to receive these ratings. So it's just rated as an AMA 2605 versus an AMA 625. So the reason is simply because there's a different substrate. So extruded aluminum versus fiberglass. So hopefully that makes sense. So pretty much the same scenario with the extruded aluminum product line. So you have an AMA 2603, which is good, and where the majority of my competition is. Then you have an AMA 2604, better, and where a couple of my competitors are. And then you have an AMA 2605, the best. And this is where Marvin always comes in. So this is our standard finish that comes with a 20-year warranty. So let's go ahead and turn this around and talk about the interior of the Ultimate Aluminum Clad line. So the Marvin factory applied interior finishes, you can order beautifully finished windows and doors that are ready to install the day they arrive to really save valuable time on the job site. Okay, so you can choose from a selection of high quality standard wood options, including pine, cherry, Douglas fir, mahogany, white oak, and a vertical grain Doug fir as well. If your project requires a one-of-a-kind look, we offer a couple unique species as well. So as far as stains and finishes go, I went ahead and set up this board here next to me to really show that there's 6 different stains available. It's wheat, honey, hazelnut, leather, Cabernet, and espresso. You also have the options to have your choice of wood species to come to you. It can come bare with a clear coat. We can prime it. We'll do a painted white or designer painted black as well. And once again, the warranty on stains and finishes on the interior wood is 5 years. So lastly, let's go ahead and touch on our new modern line here. I have a corner sample right here. And let's begin with the exterior. And much like the exteriors of the Essential and Elevate lines we spoke about, Modern is a pultruded fiberglass product. The difference is that the Modern line is a very high density fiberglass and comes with a thicker gauge of fiberglass. The application of the finish is different as well. So the high density fiberglass is also a Kynar finish, like the aluminum clad, that is coated with a fluoropolymer resin with ceramic pigments that meet AMA 625 requirements. So once again, the best finish available for this type of material. The exterior comes in 5 standard colors, which are right here. I have them right here, which are ebony, bronze, gunmetal, silver, and stone white. And all these finishes are warranted to 10 years. So let's go ahead and flip this around and talk about the aluminum interior. All right. So again, all of the aluminum on Marvin product lines are finished in a commercial grade 70% Kynar finish for superior resistance to fading and chalking, and come with a 20-year warranty. So different from the aluminum clad line, there are only 5 colors available in Modern, okay? And the reason behind this selection of colors is because the Modern product line features an intentionally selected low gloss interior palette that really evokes the nature of modern design. So the colors available are ebony, bronze, gunmetal, clear anodized, and stone white. So also one of the unique options with Modern is the ability to split finish with any of these color combinations to coordinate really with your aesthetic scheme. All right, guys, so that covers the 4 product lines I listed in the beginning and really concludes this little educational video. My hope is that you got something out of it, even if it was just a little nugget that you could take with you and something that deepens your knowledge of the different Marvin collections that are available to you. If you have any questions or would like to dive in a little deeper, please feel free to reach out to myself or your local territory manager, and we'll be more than happy to help out. Again, thanks for your time, everyone. I appreciate it. Again, my name is Randy McMurray, and I'm the BMD Territory Manager for Marvin Windows and Doors in the San Diego County region. Thank you.